show you dancing in a crowded room. You look so happy when I'm not with you, but then you show me, caught you by surprise. A single
Hola,
teardrop
hello,
falling from
welcome to
your
my
eyes.
channel.
You
Today we
cute
will be
eyes me
unboxing
like a
MacBook
broken
Air
heart.
and
You could
let's
have
dive
told me
into
that
it.
you fell apart, but you walked past me like I wasn't there, and just pretending like you didn't care. I don't know why I run away. I'll make you cry when I run away. Take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Save your tears for another day. I made you think that I would always stay. I said something that I should never say. Yeah, I broke your heart like someone did to mine, and now you won't love me for a second time. I don't know
Well, a
why
little bit of spoiler
run
alert. At that
away.
time, I had no clue how to set up MacBook Air because
I'll make
actually
you
this is
cry
my
when
first
I
ever
run
MacBook,
away.
and I had literally no idea how to set it up. So I just opened
Take
it
me
up,
back,
looked at
'cause
it,
I wanna
beautiful and pretty.
stay.
But
Save
I
your
did watch a
tears for
video and I
another.
did end up
I
definitely setting up all right.
realized that I
And
met too
then right now I'm
late.
actually
You
editing this video
deserve
on
someday to
MacBook Air
save
and it
your
works like a charm.
tears
It's a
for
perfect
another
laptop if you
day.
just want to edit. If you are just like me,
Save
making
your
small videos
tears for
and at the very
another
beginning
day.
of your video making journey, and I think this is perfect choice for you
I
in that
run
regard.
away.